Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss all things Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you how to create a class, how to organize your assignments, and also how to import your grades using Google Forms. So if that's something that you're interested in or that you need in this time, please continue to watch. Don't know how to get here, you log into Google, you go to Google Apps, you scroll down, you go to Classroom, and you are here. All right. If you have not created a class, you're going to click the plus sign and you can click create a class. If you are a parent too, you can click join class and you'll enter the code that the teacher gave you to join the class. All right. So we're going to click on sample class. All right, this is where you invite your students to your class. You're going to give them this code. Students are going to type this code when they get to Google Classroom, and that is how they sign up for your class. All right, so classwork, this is where you will list all of your assignments. People, this is where you will see who signed up for your class. And grades, you can import your grades directly into Google Classroom. So let's just go to classwork. What I like to do is I like to organize my content or my assignments by days. So in order to do that, you're going to go to create and you're going to go to topic. All right, after you go to topic, I'm just going to type in, I'm going to say Monday, April 6th. All right, and then I'm going to say add. All right, and then I'm going to click create again. All right, and I'm gonna create another topic and I'm gonna say Tuesday, April 7th. All right, so now I have two topics. You can drag these topics to be in whatever order you want them to be in. All right, so now, okay, so let's say I wanted to create an assignment. Okay, I'm going to go to create an assignment. All right, and I'm gonna call this daily weather chart, and I'm gonna put Monday. All right, so I'm gonna say take a peek outside. What is the weather like? All right, so I'm gonna add, I'm gonna go to my Google Drive and I'm just gonna add in a weather chart that I already created. If you want to know more about how to create a Google form, I will link that down below. All right, so now I have this Google form in here, and due date, since this is daily, I'm going to mark this as April 6th because it's on April 6th. And then for topic, this is where you can go ahead and insert it under the days that you created. All right, so I'm going to insert it under Monday, April 6th, and I'm going to click assign, and look, it's right there under Monday already. I don't have to drag, I don't have to put it anywhere or anything like that. So let's just say I want to create another type of assignment. So I'm just going to go to assignment. Maybe I want to include a YouTube video. So I'm gonna call this inflectional endings practice. Inflectional endings practice. All right, and I'm gonna say watch the video, and then complete the activity. All right, so I'm gonna just click add, and Google Drive, and I already have things in my Google Drive, so I'm going to looking for my inflectional endings practice. Oh, there it is. All right, inflection and ending sounds of ed. So I entered that in there, and then I can go to add in YouTube, and maybe I can type in sounds. Let's see if this works, of ed. All right, ED makes 3 sounds. Bingo, there we go. So now I have a YouTube video that they can watch, and maybe I want to change this order. So I'm gonna go back and add in that again because I wanted the other one to show up first. All right. Reflection on endings. Where'd it go? Oh, it's a form. There it is. I'm just gonna enter that one. All right. So there it is. So now they have a YouTube video and activity to complete after that. All right. So I'm just gonna click due date. I like to do mine by the end of the week to give them a week to complete their work. All right. So let's do April 11th, and let's just say I want that under Monday too. So I could do that under Monday and assign. And again, when I'm back to my classwork, it is already there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the screen to my actual classroom so I can show you what it looks like in real time. So, okay, so here we are in my actual first grade classroom. This is my actual classroom. So I'm going to be very careful about not showing you students' grades and all of that stuff just because I can't. But I do want to show you what it looks like in real time. So I'm going to go back to one of our old assignments. Let's go back to Monday of this week. I think I already graded these. I didn't grade all of them. All right, so I can click on view assignment here, and after I click on view assignment, and I'm gonna blur out these student names, or I blurred out student names just so you couldn't like see them. So what I can do to import grades is I'm going to go to this import grades right here, and I can import my students' grades, import, because I set the form up to be that way. And after I imported the grades, as you can see, the grades automatically pop in. All right, so after those grades automatically pop in, I can check this turned in box, and I can check return. Once I check return, this box is gonna come back. Return work to 2 students, yes, and I'm going to click return. All right, and now their work is graded. So I'm gonna go back and show you that again with another assignment. Let's just say, oh, this is a perfect one. I'm gonna show you this Google Slides one. All right, so what I can do here is I can actually click on one of my students' assignments. I'm gonna just blur out his name. I'm not really gonna blur out the assignment, but what I can do is I can automatically just check his assignment, see what he did correct, what he did not do correct. So he got all of his stuff right with this one. So I can just type in his grade right here, and I can just click, type in a comment, maybe great job. I'm so proud of you. All right, so there we go. And I'm going to click post. So now that student will be able to see that comment, and when I hit return, I return that student's grade back to them. All right, and instead of having to click back out like we've been having to do, I can just click through and go through click this arrow right here, and I can just go through all of my students' assignments and grade them that way. That way I don't have to keep going back and forth back into this box right here. And as you can see, I had 3 students here, but now I only have 2. Now, how do I pull grades? I just go to grades, and I have all of my assignments up here. All of these are grades that I have not taken yet. I'm just gonna blur out students' names. All of these are grades that I have not taken yet, but I can see which students turned them in, which students didn't, which students were logged in consistently, which students completed all of their work. All of that stuff is right here. The thing about Google Classroom is, or the thing about digital learning is, yes, you're going to have students that do not complete the assignments. please don't try to count it against them because it's not their fault. Me personally, in the district that I work in, we have 2 platforms for students to complete work, and parents were able to choose which platform they wanted to use. Therefore, a lot of my students are blank here, but in the other platform they have completed all of their work. So just kind of make sure you make it work for your parents and make it easy for yourself, because like with this shapes lesson, what I did, I just simply typed in a YouTube video like I showed you in earlier tutorial. I typed in a YouTube video, and then I just simply linked the Google Slides that I created. If you want to see how to create a Google Slide resource, I'll also link that down below in the description box as well. So I hope that this tutorial was very helpful for you. Please do not hesitate to reach out through email or type in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.